Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy English Learning. In today's English class, we are going to do adjectives. So, let's begin the class. Before starting it, I'll read out few sentences and tell you what are adjectives basically in a sentence. In today's class, we will do meaning and types of adjectives. Let's read out the sentence. Sarika is a beautiful girl. India is a big country. Rohan is a brave boy. The above sentences contain a number of nouns which we can easily pick out. But some of these nouns have a describing word. So, what these describing words are? Let's see. In sentence 1, the word beautiful tells us what kind of girl Sarika is. Like, Sarika is a beautiful girl. In the next sentence, the word big tells us what kind of country India is. India is a big country. In sentence 3, the word brave tells us what kind of a boy Rohan is. Rohan is a brave boy. Such describing words are called adjectives. So these words beautiful, big, brave, these all are adjectives that we have used in the sentence which tells us more about the noun, which describes the noun that is there in the sentence. So let's see what is the meaning and what are the types of adjectives. Adjectives are basically these are the words that describe people or things. These are words used for people and things are nouns. So adjectives describe nouns. These are the words that add something to a noun to describe its quantity, quality, number, possession, etc. So these are the words that are used to qualify or to add something to the meaning of a noun in a sentence. These are adjectives. Now see the kinds of adjectives. Adjectives are of 6 main types. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. One by one, I'll tell you the meaning of all these 6 adjectives. The first one is adjectives of quality. These are also called qualitative adjectives or descriptive adjectives. So, these adjectives they basically tell us about the color, shape, size, texture, condition, material, quality, and nationality or origin of a noun. They answer the question of what kind. All these adjectives, when we use them in a sentence, they basically answer a question. So these qualitative adjectives, these adjectives of quality, they answer the question what kind. Like you can see example, a red scarf. What kind of scarf? A red scarf. Raman is a good boy. What kind of boy he is? He's a good boy. He has a black dog. What kind of dog he has? He has a black dog. Black is what? Adjective. A wonderful person. What kind of person he is? A wonderful person. A strange place. What kind of place is it this? This is a strange place. A wise ruler. A sick woman. A large area. These are the examples of adjectives of quality. Next adjective is adjectives of quantity, also known as quantifiers, and these answer the question how much. These adjectives basically indicate the amount of things or persons and they answer the question how much. Like in first adjective we got the answer of question what kind, and adjectives of quantity we get the answer of the question how much. Like example you can see some rice, little sugar, enough hard work, all the birds, great importance, whole of the class. Like there is little sugar in the pot. How much sugar? Little sugar. I did not eat any bread. How much? Any of the bread I have not eaten. We have enough wheat. How much wheat we have? We have enough wheat. So enough here is what? Adjective. These some, little, enough, all the birds, all the great, whole of the class, these are our adjectives used with the nouns. They are telling more about nouns, they are describing the nouns. The next one is adjectives of number, also known as numeral adjectives. They show us how many persons or things are meant or in what order or a person or thing stands. They indicate how many persons or things. Earlier, we got the answer how much in adjectives of quantity, but in adjectives of number, we get the answer of how many. They answer the question how many, like 4 weeks, few boys, second girl, 2 days. These are further divided into three types like definite numeral adjectives, indefinite numeral adjectives, and distributive numeral adjectives. Like definite numeral adjectives means they denote the exact number, like 4 weeks. Exact number we are having 4. 2 days we are having the exact number. 1 day, 1 boy, 2 girls, 3 birds. These are exact number, definite numeral adjectives. And indefinite numeral adjectives when we don't have any specific number, like no few girls, several birds, few boys, like this. These are indefinite numeral adjectives. And distributive numeral adjectives, they denote each person or everything that is referred to, like each boy, every girl, either bird, neither men, like these. While some adjectives, they are used with both adjective of number and adjective of quantity, like some grains, some boys, all the money, all the men, like this. So these numeral adjectives, these are basically, they tell us about the question how many. And definite numeral adjectives are if we are getting the exact number. Indefinite numeral adjectives if we do not know about any specific number, like few, several, like this. And distributive numeral adjectives, they denote each person or thing referred to, like each, every, either, neither. We use with nouns to tell their quality. Next adjective is demonstrative adjectives. These are also called demonstratives. We didn't determiners. Demonstrative adjectives are the words which point to the exact noun we wish to refer to. Like this, that, these, those are demonstrative adjectives, and they answer the question which one. Like in adjectives of quality, we got the answer of the question what kind. In adjectives of quantity, we got the answer of the question how much. In adjectives of number, we got the question answer of the question how many. In demonstrative adjectives, we get the answer of the question which one, like this book, these books, that notebook, those notebooks. So exact to the exact noun we are referring to, we use that. Demonstrative adjectives are used with those nouns, like this book, these books, that car, those cars. These are demonstrative adjectives. This, these, that, and those. The next one is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives, these are adjectives are with WH word, which we use to ask questions reference to a particular noun. Interrogative adjectives, these are used with nouns to ask questions like what kind of man he is he? Whose book is this? Which way shall we go? So what is used in general sense, like which is used in selective sense, you can see. In generally we have what, if we use what, it is used in general sense, and which is used in selective sense, that exactly we are talking about which film did you see. What noise is that, we are talking in generally, and which we are talking specifically about a film that a person has seen. So we are referring to a particular noun. Accordingly, we use WH words. WH family words, you must know that. Why, what, how, when, the, whose, these are WH family words. So, we use this with interrogative adjectives. what is used in general sense, I'm telling again, and which is used in specific sense, selective sense. The next one is possessive adjectives. We also call it possessives. Possessive adjectives. A possessive is a word that shows that a certain thing or person belongs to somebody or something, which talks when we talk about possessions. That is possessives. Like my, your, his, her, its, our, their. These are possessives. We also call it possessive adjectives. And when they are placed before nouns, they function as adjectives. When these words are placed before noun, they act as adjectives. And the possessives, we can also call them possessor. Like example, you can see, I must do my duty. We must do our duty. So we have used according with the person that is used in the sentence, first person, second person, third person. Accordingly, we will use possessive adjectives like I must do my duty. Whose duty? My duty. My is here adjective. We must do our duty. Duty is noun, and with that we have used adjective our. So these are possessive adjectives. So this was all about today's class, meaning and types of adjectives. Adjectives are basically, these are the words that describe people or things, that describe more about nouns that are used in a sentence. While we have done the kinds of adjectives also, there are 6 kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, which tells the answer of question what kind. Adjectives of quantity, which tells us the answer of the question how much. Adjectives of number, which tells us the answer of the question how many. Then next one, demonstrative adjectives, which tells us about the answer of the question which one. Interrogative adjectives, which tells us where we use WH words and what is used in general sense and which is used in specific sense. And then possessive adjectives, here we used possessives to describe more about our nouns. These are possessive adjectives. So this was all about today's class. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. And for more videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.